Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel, and this is Tech with Bumi's channel. In today's video, if you're wondering you want to have a blog or you want to write an article and you don't even know how to go about it, you don't know how to write, even if you don't even know how to write but you love writing, right? Then I'm going to be giving us a free tools in these videos that is going to be helping us to write a blog and also sell an affiliate and also go into affiliate marketing business. Okay, so if this connotes to what you want to learn, then why not watch this video to the end? Do not skip every part of this video and subscribe if you're new. Like this video, share it out, and also comment below. Okay, so without any further ado, let's just dive straight to the main tutorials for today. Cheers. Give the definition of ChatGPT because we're going to be using ChatGPT in this video. As you all know, ChatGPT can literally do everything for you and is the one taking 2003 easy, making 2003 easy for us. And the method I'm going to be giving us today, you can literally tell someone or you can give it out to someone to do for you on Fiverr, Upworks, and so. But you can save your money and do this yourself. I bet you would appreciate yourself for doing it yourself. Okay, and do not miss any part of this video. To write a blog or to become an affiliate marketing with either Amazon or Clickbait, you will need to build a website. Okay, you will need a website to start a blog. So if you want me to do a full tutorials or a full videos on how to create a blog or how to build a blog with affiliate marketing, then type I want the website video and let this video get to let's get to 500 likes, then I will do a full tutorials on it for us. So without any further ado, let's just continue these tutorials. Okay, let's make this money in 2023. Those that don't understand what affiliate marketing is, affiliate marketing is basically just selling other people's products, promoting other people's products, and if anybody click on any particular link from that product, for example, Amazon, if anybody purchases any stuff from my Amazon link in my description box, right, then Amazon is going to pay me a commission. So any company that is having a affiliate marketing scheme, you can join. We have Clipbank, that is rich affiliate marketing. So I'll be using ChatGPT to show us. I will choose a particular niche on Amazon and I'm going to give an example of it to you. Then I'm going to post it on my website so that you can see an example of how it came out to be. It's just a blog, okay? And also, I'm going to also show you how to link a short form video and link it to a landing page, okay? But I will just be talking about it. I won't be putting it into practice. If you want that video, a full tutorials on how to make or how to build an affiliate marketing website and landing page, then comment below, then I will give it to us. It's going to be from the scratch. I'm a website developer, so I'm going to give it to you from beginning to the end. All you need to do is comment, I want the website video, and let's get this video to 500 likes. Okay, and please do not forget to share out this video. Tech lovers, literally, this is the ChatGPT platform. You need to obviously sign in. If you don't have a ChatGPT, then you need to sign up for the account. I won't be going into that right now. So now we want to check. So now I'm going to tell ChatGPT to tell me different types of camcorder that is on Amazon. So I'm going to put what type of camcorder is sold on Amazon for over $200. Okay, so ChatGPT is giving us, there are many camcorders sold on Amazon, like it's giving us the list: high definition HD, DSLR, professional camcorders, is giving it to us. So now we are going to choose from these three. He has given me the types of camcorders on Amazon. So we are going to choose from this. So I'm going to be choosing this DSS for this. I'm going to be choosing this from it. So I'm going to put here, can you give, yeah, on Amazon, sold for over $200. So I chose DSS or digital camcorder. So I click on this. So as you can see, it has given me like how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has given me like five, one, two, yeah, like 5 different stuff I can write on my blog. Okay, so literally, I would just come to Amazon, or I check Kano. I will tell ChatGPT to write Kano EL rebel this, to write this for me. I will tell ChatGPT to write 200 articles on this for me. Okay, so basically, I'm going to click on enter, and so it's giving us write-ups on Kano EOS Rebel T7, right? It's giving us the article. So literally, the reason why I'm writing this article is to put it on my blog, and I'm going to be showing you on Amazon how to get a link. Like if you want to be an affiliate with Amazon, I have a video on it on my video on my channel. But if you need a special guide on it, also you can book a one-on-one section with me. You will find my link in the description box. So basically, it has written this. So I'm going to copy this into my article, right? And if you come to Amazon, the reason why I told ChatGPT to give me over the $200 is because I want to know the range, and also I want any customer that will click on my product, I want it to be a flexible one, so that if a customer click on this, or my link, if I promote this link on my Amazon, on my blog, and my website ranks, okay, anyone that clicks on my website, then Amazon is going to give me a commission under this. If someone purchased this, I'll get a token from Amazon. Okay. So Tech Lover, this is our blog, the picture, and this is, you can do text and image alone, and text. So I did just text, which you can do copy. You copy, and I just created my blog. And as I said earlier, for you to be a successful affiliate marketing or affiliate marketer, you need a website to post your blog for people to see it, and you make it rank on Google. So this is my blog, the one I just did just now. As you can see, this is the write-up ChatGPT gave us. As I just did copy and paste, they want ChatGPT, and I'm going to do it for the remaining 4 and post it on my blog. I will tell ChatGPT to give me 300 article words for Nico, for Pentat, Sony, and Fuji films. Okay, Fujifilm X-T30. I will tell Chat, and I will post it on my blog. Okay, you can check the description box, and you would, if you want to read it, you will find the link in the description box. So this is the blog I just created right now, and this is it. If I click buy now, it's going to take us to Amazon, right? And so after reading and all that, if they click here too, it's going to take them to Amazon. So whoever click on this link and buy, Amazon is going to give me a commission. Okay. So now my next stage of tutorial is how we're going to create short content, right? You can actually create a short content like short reels, TikTok, and all that, and direct it to your landing page. So whoever, I'm not going to be demonstrating it in this video. So whoever click on your landing page and you put it on your link in bio on Instagram, right? You would have people will also patronize you like that. For example, let me go to my Instagram account. As you can see, this is my Instagram account, and I'm already posting Amazon finds, Amazon must have. I'm promoting Amazon on my page. Okay, so whoever click on my bio, this is my bio. Meanwhile, Koji, you need to know about Koji. I'll put the link in the description box. I won't talk about Koji in this video. So you click on Koji, my bio in link, right? And if you scroll up, if you want to buy me a coffee, you come here, ask me any questions, book us now. Then you can see this is my landing page, one of my landing page for Amazon Prime. This is my affiliate. You can come to my Amazon, to my link in bio and sign up for your Mommy Premium School for affiliate membership class. Okay, the one I said earlier in this video, and you can sign up for Koji. So now this is another landing page I created for Amazon. Okay, this is, if you want me to do something like this is a landing page I created on Amazon. Okay, so whoever clicks on any of these products, any of my products here, then Amazon is going to give me a commission. Okay, so now let me show you my shop. So this is my Amazon storefront. Okay, so you click on it. If you click on it, it will take you to my Amazon store. Can you see? And kindly follow me if you have. Yeah, so any of this target, any of these things, any of these products that you buy from me on Amazon, Amazon is going to give me a commission. And if you come to my link and you go through, check something from wherever thing that is not here, and you're still using this link, Amazon is still going to pay me a commission. Okay, so that's about affiliate marketing with ChatGPT. So this is how to use ChatGPT to make money. I hope you got value from this video. If you got value from this video, please do not forget to like, share this video out, and also leave a comment there. If you have a question to ask me also about ChatGPT, then feel free to ask your questions. Do not forget to check my descriptions for further details or more details regarding some of my Amazon link, and do follow me on my Amazon store. Okay, I have a class for Amazon. It's called Tech Mommy Premium School. I remember I opened it last year, but I haven't launched it. But because of this video, I'm launching this affiliate marketing school. It's called Tech Mommy Premium. So if you are a mom or a wife or a lady that wants to learn affiliate marketing from the beginning to the scratch and you need a guide, then I would encourage you to use my link, sign up, and let's get started. Is a paid one. Okay, so just for you to know, it's a paid one. So the link will be in the description box, and sign up for it. Book a date with me. If we are a lot, then I can have a group of us and choose the dates that we are going to have the affiliate marketing class. But all details are in the description box, okay? You don't want to miss it, right? So thank you for watching this video. Bye for now. Do not forget to watch others of my videos.